Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase business opportunities with American Express Blue, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the benefits of the American Express Blue card. Research the rewards program associated with the card. Identify how points can be earned through purchases. Familiarize yourself with the promotional offers available to new cardholders. Consider the networking opportunities provided through American Express events. Join local business networking groups that partner with American Express. Utilize the expense management tools offered by American Express for better financial oversight. Integrate the card into your business expenses to maximize rewards. Explore partnerships available through the American Express Membership Rewards program. Leverage the card for business travel expenses to earn additional points. Take advantage of any referral programs that American Express offers to earn bonuses. Review the terms and conditions to ensure you are using the card effectively. Monitor your account regularly to track your points and manage expenses. Use your rewards points strategically for travel or upgrades that can benefit your business. Get familiar with the customer service and support provided by American Express. Reach out to other business owners who use American Express for insights and advice. Consider joining online forums or communities focused on American Express for additional tips. Regularly assess how the card is contributing to your business growth. Stay updated on any changes to the American Express Blue Card benefits. Implement your learnings to continually enhance your business opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video